In this video, we will cover replacing the fan filters. When you receive the error message for fan filter to be replaced in the warning message window, you'll need to take the following actions. First, ensure that you have replacement fan filters and the gloves that come standard with the printer or with some consumables on hand. You may also use your own preferred latex gloves. If you do not have the fan filters, please contact your place of purchase for directions on how to order this consumable part. The part number for the replacement set is SB70070001. Now that we have the fan filters on hand, we can proceed back to the panel to execute the process for maintenance parts clean replace. From standby, we will press the down arrow key until we have maintenance highlighted and then press OK. In the submenu, we will scroll down until maintenance parts clean replace is highlighted and press OK. A list of all pending maintenance items will be displayed. If the list displays more than one maintenance item, take note of these and press OK. If the list was longer than 6 items, you may have to press OK more than once. Ensure that the fan filter to be replaced message is among the messages displayed. We will be focusing on this item only, though all items listed need to be completed once this process is started. You can proceed as mentioned previously by pressing the OK button to move past this list. You'll need to press OK once more to begin the maintenance parts replacement process. The plat will move in and out and the carriage will park in the flushing position. You will be notified that you have 30 minutes to complete any pending items for the maintenance process, inclusive of the fan filter replacement we will be focusing on in this video. Be prepared to complete all items in the allotted time. Now you may power off the printer by holding the power button for 1 second and you will hear a beep letting you know you can release the button. Do not hold the button down past hearing the beep. The fan filters are located in the back of the printer as indicated. Note that there are 2 of them. With the replacement filter ready, start by performing the following actions. Take one finger and scoop it into the white plastic latch. Pull forward on the white latch with your finger inserted in the direction indicated. While pulling forward, lift straight up to remove the fan filter assembly. With the assembly removed, you can remove the filter by pushing it backwards out of the assembly. Take the new filter and insert it into the assembly so that the smooth side faces towards the back of the printer once inserted. The filter is shaped so that it goes into the assembly only in one direction. To clarify, use the side view above to help understand the orientation of the coarse side and the smooth side of the filter. With the filter inserted, we now will reinsert the assembly back into the printer. When doing so, note the filter holder is to be inserted in front of the black tabs that act to guide and hold the assembly in place. Now that we have the filter aligned, push down until you hear the latch snap into place. We will repeat this process for the opposite side filter replacement. Please be sure to dispose of the filters as waste ink material in accordance with your local waste management policies. With both filters installed, we now can power the machine back on to clear the maintenance prompt for replacement. On an additional note, if the warning for the fan filters is the only maintenance item pending, the printer will not cycle through moving the platen or carriage, it will simply ask you to power it off. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.